Hello and welcome back. We're just continuing on in the book. Looks like today we're doing puzzle number 168. If we start with this box, we're missing 7, 8, and 9. We've got 8 and 9 here, so this is our 7. 8 here, so 9, 8. For this column now, we're missing a 3. For this row, we're missing 1, 2, and 4. We've got 2 and 4 here, so this is our 1. 2 here, so 4, 2. For this row, we're missing 3, 4, and 6. We've got a 4 covering here and a 4 covering here, so our 4 must be here, but I don't see any other help. So 3, 6, 3, 6. For this box now, we're missing 4, 6, and 7. We've got a 6 here, so 4, 7. 4 covering these two boxes, so 6, 7, 6, 7, and that means that our 4 for that box has to be here. For this column, we're missing 1 and 7. We've got a 7 here, so 1, 7. For this box, we're missing 3 and 9. We've got a 9 here, so 3, 9. For this row now, we're missing 2 and 8. We've got an 8 here, so 2, 8. For this row, we're missing 1, 3, and 9. We've got a 9 here, so 1, 3. 3 here, so 1, 9. And no help here, 1, 3, 9. For this column now, we're missing 1, 3, and 9. We've got a 1 here, so 3, 9, 3 here, so 1, 9. For this box, we're missing 1, 2, 3, and 7. We've got 2 and 7 here, so 1, 3. 2 here, so 1, 3, 7. 1 here, so 2, 3, 7. That means the only place the 2 can be in this box is here, and now the only place the 7 can be is here. For this row, we're missing 1, 3, and 6. We've got a 3 here and a 6 here, so this is our 1. That 6 makes this our 3. 8. Sorry, we were missing 1, 3, and 8. So we've got 3 and 8 here, so that's still correct with the 1. That 1 would make this our 3 and this our 8. And that 3 makes this our 1, 9, 3, 9, 1. For this column, we're missing 1, 8, and 9. We've got 1 and 8 here, so this is our 9. 8 here, so 1, 8. For this column, we're missing 3 and 6. We've got a 6 here, so this is our 3, 6. And that 6 makes this our 3. For this box now, we're missing a 7. That 7 makes this our 6, 7. For this row now, we're missing 4 and 9. We've got a 9 here, so 4, 9. For this box, we're missing 1 and 6. We've got a 1 here, so 6, 1. For this box, we're missing 2, 5, and 6. We've got 2 and 6 here, so this is our 5. 6 here, so 2, 6. And for this box, we're missing 3 and 5. We've got a 5 here, so 3 and 5. And there we have it for today's puzzle. Thank you so much for joining me again today. I hope you have a wonderful day, and I will see you back here again tomorrow with our next puzzle.